Hello and welcome to this video lecture class. I am Dr. Rupam Mukherjee, Assistant Professor of Economics, Kobi Shukanto Mahavidyalaya, University of Burdwan. And today I am going to discuss about an important topic of Indian agriculture, and the topic is role of agriculture in Indian economy. Before starting the discussion, it is quite important to understand that what is the learning objective of this lecture. By watching this video, the students will be able to understand why is agriculture still important for Indian economy even after more than 70 years of independence of the nation. Indian economy even after more than 70 years of independence of the nation. We can start our discussion by quoting Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, who expressed his view regarding the role of agriculture in Indian economy by saying, "Everything can wait, but not agriculture. Agriculture is the lifeline of Indian economy, which keeps the economy going and growing. Agriculture remains at the heart of rural livelihoods, even though the agrarian economy of the nation has changed in many dimensions since independence." Now let's try to understand the role of agriculture in Indian economy from different perspectives. The first point to mention in this connection is the contribution of agriculture in our national income. Immediately after independence, agriculture contributed about 60% of our national income. But over time, due to structural transformation of the economy, this contribution of agriculture has fallen sharply, and according to the Economic Survey 2019-20, currently agriculture contributes about 16.5% of the gross value added of the nation. Now, if we look at the role of agriculture as the source of livelihood, then more than two-thirds of the Indian population still lives in the rural sector, and about 47% of the population of the nation still depends on agriculture for their livelihood, according to the India Rural Development Report 2014-15. Now, from this observation, you can see that if you look at the size of the population for India, then this 47% population, if it is still engaged in the agricultural sector, that is quite significant. And another important observation in this connection is that if you look at the percentage share of agriculture in our national income, although it has fallen sharply over time, but the same type of change, same type of radical decline in case of occupation structure, in case of agriculture, has not been witnessed. So agriculture still remains the backbone of Indian economy. Now the remaining part of my video lecture will be followed in my next lecture. So till then, goodbye and thank you for watching.